Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove all archived stories on Instagram. First of all, you can open the Instagram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see this type of interface. And now you can tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply tap on archive how you use Instagram section. After tapping on this, you can see all of the archive stories here. Instagram doesn't provide any feature to delete all archive stories on Instagram at once. You can delete it one by one. You can just simply select the post you want to delete. And here you can see the three lines, that is mode option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the option that is delete story. You can tap on delete story, and after this you can delete your archive story. And it is the way you can delete archive stories on Instagram one by one. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.